Hello mate, and welcome to another devlog type of video. In this video I am basically porting a mini game that I had added to Deeper into my new game. Gonna have to change all the graphical elements so that it matches the new art style, but essentially it was a battle cards type of game. And because Deeper was written in Ren'Py 7.5 and this is Deeper 8, Ren'Py 8, a lot of the command syntax has changed, so I'm now in the process of basically debugging, which is not as fun as it sounds, I'm sure you can imagine. But so for example, whereas lambda filters used to work like this in Ren'Py 7.5, or in Python 2.7 more importantly, now we have to add this there in order to get that line, in order to get the filters actually working, which it can be a bit frustrating because this is 1,000 lines of code, this minigame. It's by far the largest minigame that I added to Deeper, so it's being a bit of a pain, but slowly but surely debugging it so that we can get to the stage where, so this is the screen, the back, obviously tiles.back was a background image that I was using in the Deeper version of the game. So we have to define all cards, and then you can see that the card that my player has been given is located there. We can click on that and it jumps into our hand. And again, you can't see the frame, well, you can sort of see the bottom corner of the frame here over her. I'm going to have to adjust all of the sizes of the screens and so on to make it work, because this Deeper was set for a 1080p resolution by default, and this game is set to 4K default. So I need to make sure that I set up all of my images and frames appropriately. Okay, so audio check is not a problem. That's just a function that I had in Deeper to do to check for audio. So I just need to 1030 line 1030. That's down here. So I can just comment that out for the time being, and then do a shift reload. Put that in my hand, and then okay. So now we're at the stage where the game is sort of working. The opponent's card is Panda. I'm going to put Lucky in, and as you can see, what's it saying now? List index is out of range for what? What list are we? Oh, all attacks ability. Nice name. Okay, so it's throwing a bit of a hissy fit about the attacks that this card has in line 208. Okay, so back all the way up here to line 208. Find out what's going on. Okay, so it's trying to cycle through the card's selected powers, which is fine, and it should be putting the name and the amount of energy that that power uses on the screen by saying list index out of range for ability in card selected dot powers. Why is that throwing up an error? That is a good question, unless the card has no abilities. And if we come back to where that card is defined, which is down here, Lucky has 2, 4 and 3 as its powers. Powers 2, 4 and 3 are Bite, Charge and Stalk, so it should be showing those. And Panda has 1 attack, which is 0, which is Scratch. So why is it not doing what it's meant to be doing? That is the question. Let's have another look and see if I can figure it out. So we click on that, hit play cards. Don't worry, in the when the game's live, that obviously option won't be there straight away. You have to do other things to unlock the card game. So again, if I define all cards, I know what I haven't done. I need to define all. Oh, that was silly. Define all attacks as well. Now when I come out of this, go on that, hit finish. There we go. It's because I hadn't defined all of the attacks. So I can send that card to battle. My card is now on the field. So if I use bite, carrying out your stalk attack. So far so good. Nice. And if I hit stalk attack again, because that's my most powerful attack. Uses up a lot of energy, but you can see her hit points. Oh, she's used first aid. Son of a gun. Stalk attack again. Come on, kill, kill, kill. Oh man, I'm going to have to rest. Oh, I can do a bite. Yeah, kicked her ass. 13 XP, so it's leveled up. As you can see, there's a log on the left. Right, filter objects. Right, god damn it. Right, line 932. So this is why you have to do play testing, because obviously there's a lot of filter commands in my previous script. And I'll have to go through every single one of them and sort this out. So 932 is down here. 932. Remaining cards 0. Where is remaining cards? Yep, so we need to say list there. And do I have any more filters in the window that I can see? No, okay, that's fine. Okie doke. Send to battle. Just keep hitting it with stalk attack and see what happens. Oh yeah, nearly took out half her hit points in one move there. That'll be good. Let's try that again. Oh, dead in one go. Look at that. Beautiful. So that's knocked her out. Got 13 XP. Right. Card on field. 932. It's still... Ah, it's because it hasn't... Okay, so it hasn't saved. That was silly. Alright, so as you can see, it is a work in progress, and you've seen the game kind of functioning now. I need to do a lot of changing of the sizes of frames and whatnot to make them actually fit the screen. And I'm probably going to change the way that I create the cards, because at the moment it's using screens and it's putting names and bits and pieces in there like that, and now obviously I'm a little bit more familiar with user defined displayable, so I can probably use UDDs to actually make them look better. So that's probably what I'm going to do, but that's essentially what I've been working on today. That's all I've really got to do to talk about today. So yeah, thanks very much for watching anyway. Hopefully you enjoyed it or found something useful in it. Let me know what you think in the comments below anyway, and I will see you in the next one. But until then, you take damn good care of yourselves, alright? Bye bye.